Hey guys, I'm Benny from the block and I'm here this week to give you some DIY tips and tricks about demoing the wet areas around your house. Some of the tools we can use around the house when we're demoing wet areas would be a demolition hammer or an electric demo saw. We can use these in multiple jobs around our house. We just need to make sure we know where our plumbing lines are, gas and electrical wiring before we start. So I know this is a DIY job and you're all ready to get your hands dirty doing it. And we can go and pull out cabinets and appliances from a kitchen or a bathroom. But when it comes to installing new things that may need electrical wiring or plumbing or gas fittings, really important that we get a qualified tradesperson to do that. So it definitely depends on the job you're trying to do. If you're just renovating the one room in your house, it should only take a few days. If you're trying to do your entire house, it's going to come down to how big it is and how many people you've got helping you. So each job is different and it comes down to what we're trying to lift and where we're trying to lift it to. Most likely we're going to use a material hoist, but give your local Kennards hire branch a call and they'll be able to find the right bit of equipment for you. So there's a lot of ways we can update a kitchen without breaking the budget. We can change our backsplash or tiles, paint our bench top, or even just swap out the handles on our cabinets. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks videos throughout the block. If you need any help, don't hesitate to contact your nearest Kennards hire branch.